Understanding afford, essential vocabulary for IELTS. Have you ever wanted to buy something but weren't sure if you had enough money? That's where the word afford comes in handy. Today, we're going to learn all about this useful word that you'll likely encounter in your IELTS exam. Word type. Afford is a verb. This means it's an action word, meaning to afford means to have enough money or resources to pay for something. It can also mean to be able to do something without risk or problems. Word history. The word afford comes from Old English. It originally meant to move forward or advance. Over time, its meaning changed to include the idea of having the means to do or buy something. Antonyms. Some opposites of afford are lack, need, and want. Synonyms. Words with similar meanings to afford include manage, bear, and spare. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at some ways to use afford in sentences. I can't afford a new car right now. Can you afford to take time off work? The company couldn't afford to lose any more customers. Common errors in use. People sometimes make mistakes when using afford. Remember, we usually use it with can or could. For example, we say I can afford it or I could afford it, not I afford it. Also, afford is often used with to plus a verb. For instance, we can't afford to waste time is correct, but we can't afford wasting time is not. To sum up, afford is a crucial word for expressing financial ability or the resources to do something. It's commonly used in everyday conversations and in the IELTS exam. Remember its meaning, how to use it in sentences, and the common errors to avoid. Practice using afford in your own sentences to become more comfortable with it. Good luck with your IELTS preparation.